Hello students, this is the question number 44. So we are going to solve this question now. First of all, we'll read this question and then we will try to solve this question here. XYZ are the partners sharing profit and loss in 3-1. The balance sheet of the firm was as at 31st March 2018 stood as follows. Creditors, work compensation reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, workman compensation reserve. Against this, we'll see that whether there is any claim. So it is there E 750, investment compensation reserve. Then comes investment fluctuation reserve. This is created to protect our investment. So value is now, it has gone up value. Okay, so this is to be distributed among partners. So Z retires. Acha, then comes XYZ capital is given this cash at bank. Debtors are there. Provision is made 2000 rupees. Stock, investment, market value is given this increased value. Then the book value, then patent, machinery, and advertisement expenses and goodwill is there. So this advertisement expenses is to be distributed, or this will be debited in partners capital account because it is to be written off. And this goodwill is shown here. This is to also to be written off 6,000 in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, then comes this Z retires, and or on the date of following terms, goodwill of the firm is valued at 34,800. And this we have to find out the share of retiring partner. Value of the patent is to be reduced 20% and machinery 90%. Machinery to 90%. We have to bring the value to 90%, means 10% value has gone down. Then provision for doubtful debts is to be created 6% on debtors. Here it is done only 5%. So X took the investment at market value, his account will be debited with that. Liability of workman compensation reserve. Compensation is to the extent of 750. A liability of 4,000 included in creditors is not to be paid. Means here we have got the benefit. Amount due to Z is settled in the following basis. 5,067 is to be paid immediately. 50% of the balance within 1 year and the balance by the bill of the exchange. Without interest at 3 months. So this we will have to pay it in 3 this different ways. Necessary journal entries to the treatment of goodwill. Prepare revaluation account, capital account, and balance sheet of the new firm. This we have to make. So we'll make revaluation account, capital account, and balance sheet, and journal entry will tell. Okay. So here, first of all, we'll make revaluation account here. That is okay. This is the. So now it says if we come to this, Z retires, goodwill. This is to be written off. We will just take here. Value of patent is to be reduced to 20%. Reduced by 20%. Patent is of 10,000 rupees. 20% by 20% it is to be, yani 2,000 rupees. The value is to be reduced. So what is the journal entry? Revaluation account here to patent. So to patent, we'll write here to patent 2000 rupees. And then comes the next. Machinery to 90%. Means 90% value is there of this. And I mean 10% has gone down. Means 10% of this is 5000. The to machinery, ₹5,000. Then comes provision for doubtful debts is to be created at the rate 6% on debtor. Provision is to be made 6% on debtors. Here 6% is how much? 6 4 24, 2,400. But it is done 2,000, means 400 rupees more to be created. So to provision for doubtful debts 400. Okay. Then comes the next. Jet took over the investment at market value. And this market value here we can say is increased. Investment are increased from 15 to 17,600. 2,600 investment are increased. So by investment 2,600. Then comes the next. Here liability of workman compensation, liability of amount of jet to be settled, so nothing is to be taken here. Now we'll take the balance. Okay, how much is the balance? We'll see. And a liability of 400 included in creditors is not to be paid. So here our liability is reduced here. So it is the gain 4,000 creditors. So here we will write by creditors 4,000. Okay, the value of investment has increased and creditors are reduced. Now the balance is to be taken here. So if we take 7,400, 6,600. So here this side is more. So 7,400 and 6, 8, 14 and 3, 4, 7 by loss transferred to X, Y and Z's capital account. So at what ratio? 3:1 is the profit sharing ratio. So 3 to 6 and 7. Okay. So this comes 800 when divided in 1 to 3, 3 to 1 ratios, divided by 6. 800 when divided by 6, it comes 6 1 just 6, 6 3 ja 18, 6 3 ja 18, 133.33. So we'll take it here 133. Then it is 266.6, matlab 267, and it is 399.9. So it is 400. So total if we make it is 800. So this way revaluation account is prepared. Okay.